to the east and southeast at 20 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency for downtown Oklahoma City, including the fairgrounds, Will Rogers World Airport, the Capitol, Valley Brook, North Moore, and Dell City. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to softball size is expected. Once again, at 7:05, a confirmed strong tornado was located 1 mile south of the fairgrounds, moving to the east to southeast at 20 miles an hour. A severe